Hi, this is Paul Baker with RE/MAX and HotPropertyFlorida.com. Today we're in Winter Garden, just west of Orlando. We're at Northlake at Ovation by Ashton Woods Homes. They're building 16 different single-family floor plans here and 3 floor plans for townhomes. They range 1,500 to a little over 3,500 square feet. And today we're going to look at the plant floor plan. It starts at 2,226 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom. It can be built with 2.5 to 4 bathrooms. It can also have a bonus room and a 2-car garage. Please take a look around. If you like this home and would like more information on this home or other homes in the community, please give me a call at 407-902-3188. And to view all the homes for sale in Central Florida, please visit my website, hotpropertyfl.com. I will have a link in the description to all the floor plans and pricing, and we do have some exclusive incentives if you buy your home through us here at hotpropertyfl.com. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.